for the game. It's a rich thing.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. I'm back in London. Just got back in about an hour ago from a long journey. Left on Saturday, arrived on Sunday. So had a 1 hour flight from Dominica to Barbados, and then I had about 5 hours wait in Barbados for connecting flight to the UK because it was a late flight. It was about 11 o'clock flight in the evening. Obviously, it's an overnight flight, 11 o'clock in the evening, and we're also 5 hours ahead now. I think this weekend it was 4 hours ahead, but this weekend it's now 5 hours ahead because of the daylight saving and that summer, I guess, beginning of summer, I guess. So I didn't get to the UK until 12:30 in the afternoon today. So I didn't get from Heathrow to get home, get a taxi, and get home till about 4 o'clock. So a lot of traveling. So it's good. Well, I don't even know what that works out to be. Probably close to 20 hours, I think. Probably been on the road. So yeah, back. Not tired yet. I'm probably gonna be tired tonight, but I'm back anyway, and I shall be back with the boys back to work tomorrow. The work gets straight onto it. But I wanted to do this quick video because I'm excited to see this. Obviously, most of you guys know that we hit the 100,000 subscribers on the channel, and I'd like to say thank you for everyone that supported and helped us to get to that target. The funny thing is, we hit the 100,000 I think like a week before I went on holiday, and obviously I went away for 5 weeks. So YouTube have sent it to me, so it's arrived maybe 2 weeks after I'd already gone on holiday. So obviously I've had to wait another 3-4 weeks before I can actually open it and see what it's like. So I said I'll do this as most people do. We do it with you guys. I'll share it with you as I'm doing the opening. I'll do it together. So let's open it up and have a look what we got from YouTube. Alrighty, let's open this thing up. Let's see what we got. So YouTube sends you one of these for free, and then they give you a link if you want to buy more. Like I said, it's a team of you doing YouTube. You can buy extra plaques, but you have to pay for those. So you get the first one on the house. I think they were like £200 or something like that to buy one, or £150, something along those lines. It's not cheap if you want to buy them. So for those of you who want to know what you get, this is what you get. So first we got this little card which says it's sent from the Society Awards. I guess these are the people that do the plaques and stuff. So it says congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. So shout out to Rick. Thank you, Rick, for inspecting and packaging it for us. If your award was damaged during shipping, etc., etc., you can contact him about it if you've got any issues with it. So that's that. Then we'll check that out after. We also got this letter on a card, which is nice. I guess you can frame that as well if you wanted to. So it's from YouTube. So again, it's from the CEO, I guess. Do you remember your first subscriber? Do I remember my first subscriber? I don't remember my first subscriber, but I remember my first 1,000 subscribers. So they actually ask you your 100th or your 1,000th. Because I remember the 1,000 because that was when it was in the pandemic, and I had one video go viral, and I remember the channel growing rapidly at that time and hitting the 1,000. So that's, yeah, I do remember that. It's like 5 years ago now already. It's crazy. Chances are that you do, and we know that you definitely remember your 100th thousand subscriber. Yep, I do. And I do remember the 10,000 as well, because I actually remember what job we were doing, and I remember doing the video for 10,000 subscribers and thanking everybody for that. We were building a garden house somewhere in West London at the time when we hit the 10,000. That seems so far away as well. It says your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. So yeah, I mean, it'd be interesting to know how people found the channel. So let me know how you found it. Did you just randomly find a video, maybe one of our viral ones? Did somebody share it or tell you about us? Were you just searching on YouTube for how to do something and you come across us? Let us know how we got connected in the first place. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community that you've built. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. So my understanding is the silver button is 100,000, and then when you get, if you get to 1,000,000 subscribers, then there's another play button. I don't know if it's gold, or it might be gold or diamond. Then there's like 10 million and so on and so on. So this is the first recognition from YouTube for reaching a certain milestone. So 1,000,000 is a big gap from 100,000, you know what I mean? But that's how they kind of spaced them out. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. Yeah, so we're gonna go for the videos. We're back on the videos, and we're gonna try and really get some nice interesting jobs in this rest of the coming year. Also, hopefully I get to start my house in Dominica this year as well, so there'll be amazing videos on that. We're starting this house completely from the ground, and this will be building my dream home in the Caribbean. So definitely that's something I'm looking forward as far as content creating. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. So that's really cool. So yeah, I'll keep this. Is a nice carded paper, so obviously I'll protect that and put that somewhere safe as well. But yeah, coming to our actual plaque, and here it is. And it's funny, I was saying to my wife the other day, my wife is an academic, so she's got bachelor's degrees, master's degrees, and she also has a PhD. So she's got, you know, her certificates and all that stuff up, and I've never had a degree. I didn't go to university and stuff like that. So I said to her, I'm gonna have to put this next to your PhD on the shelf, like this is coming next to it. She's like, yeah man, definitely, this is your big achievement in what you're doing. So this is something, first time I've ever had some sort of award or anything. But thanks to you guys, we've received it. So here we go. This is the plaque. So inside of, kind of inside a box of a box here, and there's some other stuff in here as well. So what else we got here? So this is what I was mentioning about earlier. So you can allow your team to purchase a personalized creator award, so they can get sort of different ones as well via them. So you know what, you have to pay for those. So I'll have a look at that as well. But here guys, here is the play button. Let me see if I can get a better view for you guys. And this is what it looks like. So let's get it out of the plastic and see properly. So apparently it's smaller. It used to be bigger than this before. They've made it a bit smaller. But this is basically what it looks like. So it says presented to, obviously, the channel, build and repair and restore, for passing 100,000 subscribers, and it has YouTube here. So sort of raised print here, and then there's some mirror finish bit on it here, and that's pretty much it, really. And you can hang it up on the wall, so you've got some hooks at the back, so like a felt back in here. I thought it would have had legs that you could stand it up, but obviously it doesn't have legs, so it's kind of meant to be hung really. But I think I might be able to stand it on my shelf somehow, because I don't think I'm gonna screw it to the wall or anything like that. Just put it on the table in the living room. But yeah guys, this is it. This is a milestone. We did it together, because I could not have done it obviously without you guys supporting and subscribing and regularly watching the videos and liking the videos and commenting, which has helped to spread the word of the channel and helped us to get more people joining the channel. So it's all thanks to you guys. So I just want to say thank you again for this, and Mama, I love you. God, I love you. You know, you take our our acceptance speeches. But yeah, on that note, also I want to say happy Mother's Day to all the ladies who are watching, all the mothers who are watching, because today is actually Mother's Day in the UK as well. So yeah, we share this today. Yeah, so that is it. So here is our YouTube plaque received today, first milestone, and who knows, maybe we can get another one, 1 million subscribers. Why not? If we did 100,000 at the time, 100,000 seemed like so kind of impossible. It's like a number. So you know, you never know, we could hit 1 million. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, let's try and help us to get to that. Subscribe to the channel, let your friends know, share the channel, like the videos. Even if you just like them, it really helps. Even if you don't comment, because I know a lot of people don't always comment what they enjoy watching the videos. So just give us a like, and yeah guys, look out for new videos. We'll be back this week with some new videos as we come back on the cowboy build and other jobs that we're doing as well. So hopefully maybe you'll see a video tomorrow if I get enough time to film and edit one tomorrow, and I'll be back with you guys and we can have some more fun. So guys, until the next video, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Take care.